God or mind? Where does knowledge come from? Let's find out right now. As shocking as this may sound, that which we call God does not know anything per se, as knowing is a mind concept. God just is all knowledge, just is all love, just is the substratum of every experience. For example, when we want to know what something means, what do? You pause for a moment and try to think. The mind slows down until it stops, resulting in you not thinking for a second or two. Then mind comes back as the answer. Do you see what happened? In order for mind to reform itself as the answer, it had to melt back into itself, which is its true nature, as the pure consciousness, God, source, universe, or whichever word you wish to conceptualize the infinite as. The significance of this is the mind could only get the answer when it dissolved itself back into so-called God. Only then could it reappear as the answer. The funny thing is that the mind believes it was itself that found the answer, when in fact it wasn't even around when the searching happened. Understand?